Good afternoon, all the students of 7th standard. We are learning fourth lesson of history, that is Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. From this lessons, page number 15 is going on. Yesterday we have studied information about Pargana. Now see, and also the what is that we have seen the information about the what is meant by Budruk and Khurd. Budruk is called as old village and Khurd is called as a new one village with the same name. Watan means what is that? The farm or the land which we have, and for that we does not need to pay the taxes to the government. It is called as a Watan, Arabic word. Next one point, the calamity of a famine. Calamity of a famine. How the famine occur? The calamity of the famine we will see. Agriculture was depend on rainwater. First thing, what is that? Agriculture. This work was mostly it is depend on the rainwater. So agricultural work is depend on the rainwater. That present time also what are the agriculture farming we are doing, that this farming is depend on the rainwater. If it did not rain, so what I was saying, if it did not rain, crops would fail. Then what will happen? Crops would fail. If it not rain, then what happen? Crops would fail, that it will be fail. They will not grow properly. The price of food grain rose there, and whatever the price is there, prices of the food grains, it start to be increase. Rose means what? It start to be increase. It became difficult for the peoples to get the food grains and other things, and it became very difficult for the people that to get their food grains or to other things, whatever they need in their daily routine or the life. In their daily routine or the life, it became very difficult for them to survive or to get the food grains or other things from the village community there. There was no fodder for the cattle. If there was no rain, then what happened? Crops cannot grow properly. If crops cannot grow properly, then we will not get the food grain. First thing that. Along with that, what is there? If no rainfall, then there is no grass for the animals or the cattle, and there was a, we can say as another word we can say that there was no fodder for the cattle. Means so there was no any food for the cattle to eat. This thing we can see there. Nothing is there for them to eat. If rainfall is only not there, if there is less rainfall or no rainfall, then how grass can grow there? Green lush grass, which is we can call as a hay also for that food of the cattle there. So it is not available for them to eat. And also we face the water problem, scarcity of water. Water became more and more scarce. That scarcity of water is there. Water became more scarce. It became difficult for peoples to live in the village, and also it became very difficult for the peoples, those who are there, to live in the village. It became very difficult for them to live in the village level. That peoples, if there was nothing is there available for them, so at that time how they can live there? It is not possible for them to be live in a village level. That they were forced to leave the village, and all these peoples, they were forced to leave the village. Means by the burden, by the force, they have to leave the village because there was nothing is there available for them to get. So how they can survive? So difficult for them to be survive or to live in the village. They were forced to leave the villages. So because of that, people, those who are living in the village, they were forced to leave the village. They have to leave their houses. Famine was a great calamity for the peoples, and this famine was a great calamity, great disasters, great problem for the people. That famine are different. For example, we can say that if famine occur, sometime famine was of the less rainfall, or sometime of also we can call as a more rainfall. In both way, in present time we see that northeastern side, northeast state of our country, Bihar is there, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, there heavy rainfall is there, flood is there. So this is also called as a famine there. A great famine occurred in the Maharashtra in year 1630. Great famine occurred in the Maharashtra. Less rainfall happened there. Two types of dry famine, or the we can call as a wet famines. So dry famine that occur in the Maharashtra in the year 1630. That is when Shivaji Maharaj was born. At the time, great famine occurred in the Maharashtra. People, those who were in the Maharashtra, they were greatly distressed due to this famine, and people from the Maharashtra, they were greatly distressed because of this famine there. They suffered to this famine. It has been described in these words. So what happened there? Those were the people suffered from this famine. Their suffering is described in the following word. So when the Shivaji Maharaj was born in the year 1630, at the time great famine was occurring in the Maharashtra. People, they were greatly suffered or distressed due to this famine, and that famine was described in the following words. How they describe the time conditions or the situation there. So we can see in these words they describe that. In these words they explain, people were ready to sell themselves. Those were people at the time, during the time of 1630 in the Maharashtra, in the famine region of the Maharashtra, they were ready to sell themselves. This much of famine was there. There was nothing for them to miss, a very scarcity of food grains or the water there. So people, to survive themselves, what is there? They were ready to sell themselves. They are saying that if someone have money, then give me, and you can buy me. I am ready to sell myself. I will become your servant. I will become your slave. They were ready to sell themselves for a piece of bhakri. What is that? For what purpose they were ready? For a piece of bhakri. I am ready to do anything, whatever work you will tell, that I will do for you. I will become as a slave. I will become servant of your home, or as a servant I will live there in your home. But only one thing, what is that? You give me some food and water for drinking that. So they were ready to, for the piece of bhakri, they were ready to sell themselves. But how was the miserable condition at that time? But there was nobody to buy them. Nobody was there to buy them. Nobody has a capacity. Nobody has a food. By saying that, they can say that, oh, okay, I will give you bhakri. I am ready to buy. For what purpose they are ready to sell themselves? For the bhakri. For example, nowadays what they will do? They will sell the vegetables. They have that. They sell the vegetables, and how will purchase? By giving money. If we have money, then only we can purchase. No. If we do not have money, then how we can purchase vegetables or the food? We can purchase? No. So like same, for example, if we ask a beggar to purchase something, that if you not have money, then how you can purchase? Like same way, at the time, many people, they were ready to sell themselves for the piece of bhakri, for the food, in the purpose of food, they were ready to sell themselves. But nobody was there. Nobody was there. No one was there. One man was there to be purchased them and to give them the bhakri or food for eating. There was a scarcity of food grain. Means everywhere scarcity of the food grain. That food was less there. Because of the no rainfall, food was not there, available there. So scarcity of the food grain there. Everywhere the scarcity, lackness of the food grain there. Entire families were destroyed. Entire whole family was destroyed due to the lack of food there. There was no food to eat. Then how many days they can survive? Entire family was destroyed. Many people, they died there. due to the starvation, due to the hunger, without the food. How many days they can survive? So entire family was destroyed. Cattle and the farm animals there died. Cattle also, and farm animals. What are the animals were there in the farm? Cows, buffaloes. They died due to the starvation, due to the food or water, scarcity of food or water. Nothing was there to eat them or eating. So animals also they died at the time. Agriculture was devastated. Total agriculture was damaged. That there was no crops only in the field. That so it was devastated. It became field totally became barren. That it became total like a desert. The famine put an end to industries. Famine was totally ended there. Famine was end to end the industry there. All the financial transactions came to be stand still there. So all the transactions, financial transactions, all the work was totally it's totally closed down. That like present time how condition is there, lockdown, everywhere shut down is there. Like same way, financial transaction was totally shut down, industries were closed down there, nothing there was trade business there. People had to wander to far away regions in the search of livelihood. The people they had to wander, they have to roam in search of livelihood, in search of their food. They were roaming here and there where they will get the food to eat there. It was a great challenge to bring back the normalcy there. So it was the biggest challenge in the 1613 there for the king or the ruler or the Sardar that to bring normalcy in the common people's life, that the devastated life of the peoples, to bring back in their original life, whatever the life was devastated, disturbed, that to bring them in their normal life. It was the biggest challenge for the people there or to the kings or the ruler. So this situation was there, this much miserable situation or the condition was there at that time. Nearby it is, we can say that present what is the lockdown. Only what is there, here we have the food to eat, but the industries closed down. Economical crisis are there present time. At that time, economic crisis also there, and there was no food to eat also. Condition was like this. So when we come tomorrow, we will see in the next part of this. So till that time, read out this. Thank you very much.